Hello, today I'm excited to walk you through our smart and efficient point of sale bill customization for Tally Prime. Let's explore how your customized bill will look, starting from top to bottom. At the header, we've thoughtfully arranged your key business identifiers. Your company logo takes center stage. Below that, your company name, address, and contact details. The tax invoice heading appears prominently, and all essential transaction details, invoice number, date, and time, plus your customer's information, including their GST number. The middle section is where the magic happens. We've designed a clean two-line format that displays item name and specifications, HSN code and GST percentage, item code and quantity, rate and final amount, everything your business needs, perfectly organized and easy to read. The bottom section brings it all together with clear summaries of quantities and amounts, detailed tax breakdowns for CGST and SGST, your company's GST and CIN numbers, and we've added a thoughtful thank you and visit again message to keep your customers coming back. Here's the best part: this professional layout works with any standard printer, fits 3 invoices on one A4 sheet, and saves you money on printing costs. Ready to see this in action? Call us at 9830-314-900 or 9830-882-666 for a live demonstration.